Welcome to our updated guide on how to change your password on Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to update your password and enhance the security of your account. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, select the Password option to initiate the password change process. You will be prompted to enter your current password as a security measure to verify your identity. Once you have entered your current password, proceed to type in your new password. Ensure that your new password is strong and secure. After entering your new password, tap on the Continue button to confirm the password change. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your password on Snapchat, strengthening the security of your account. Thank you for watching this guide on how to change your password on Snapchat. Protect your account from unauthorized access by following these steps to set a new, secure password. Stay proactive about your account security and enjoy a safer and more secure experience on Snapchat.